Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about compound conjunctions. Let's get started. Remember that conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Have a look at the example over here. Susan is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Note that the word and is a conjunction and it's used to link the sentences Susan is an amazing wife, a wonderful woman. Now there are many types of conjunctions, and among them are compound conjunctions. Now compound conjunctions are phrases which are used as conjunctions. A compound conjunction has two or three words that go together. For example, so that, as long as, even though, etc. Have a look at the example over here. You can buy whatever you want as long as you use your own money. Note that the compound conjunction as long as in this sentence is used to link these two sentences. Even though compound conjunctions have two or three words that go together, they are different from correlative conjunctions, which are conjunctions used only in pairs. Now compare the sentences below. Beth likes painting as well as drawing. Beth thinks that you can be good either at painting or at drawing. Now there are several commonly used compound conjunctions. Let's have a look at those compound conjunctions. You can buy clothes as well as shoes there, meaning you can buy clothes and shoes there. As soon as it started raining, they opened a window in the apartment, meaning that it started raining and they immediately opened the windows. The kid sang so loudly as if or as though there was no one in the room, meaning that the kid sang so loudly like there was no one in the room. Even if or even though I don't like plain honey, I'll eat sweets with honey in them, meaning that I don't like plain honey, but nevertheless I'll eat sweets with honey in them. John will pass the test provided that he studies every day, meaning that if John studies every day, he'll pass the test. I'll turn off my phone so that no one disturbs me. Please turn off your phone in order that we are not disturbed by anyone. Note that in order that is more formal than so that. And now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that a compound conjunction has two or three words that go together. For example, so that, even if, etc. Now read the sentences below and underline compound conjunctions. As long as you are sound and happy, we will be happy too. As long as. Even though it was extremely difficult, we managed to finish everything on time. Yet the boss wasn't happy with the final result, and we had to redo the whole project as well as find a new concept idea. Even though, as well as. Also remember that compound conjunctions are phrases which are used as conjunctions. Now read the sentence below and use the compound conjunction in brackets to link the sentences. As if. She talked to me. She was mad at me. She talked to me as if she was mad at me. Even if. I have to stay up very late. I will help you out. I will help you out even if I have to stay up very late. Here is a short story using compound conjunctions. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Could you hurry up so that we don't miss the movie? Give me a minute. It's not as if I'm being late on purpose. Well, you could have started getting dressed earlier then. If we don't leave now, we'll miss the movie as well as our cab. It's waiting for us outside. Okay, I'm coming. See? Didn't take that long. And now, it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with the words and phrases in the box. If, soon, that, even, in, otherwise, provided, even though, as soon. A. Jack is always so dramatic as he were a soap opera actor. I don't understand why he is like that. B. As they broke up, they both started dating other people. I can't wrap my head around it. C. Sam works full-time. Well, as takes care of everything at home. He's a wonderful husband. D. That you signed the contract. We can't discuss the project details. E. You can't buy a new car provided that you get a part-time job. You can't afford it. F. Liz always calls her parents during the day. There is a huge time difference. She is in the States now, and they're in Australia. G. Kate always eats breakfast if she is late to work. H. I'd rather come to work earlier so I don't have to experience the rush hour ever again. I. She left the room in tears as he started shouting at her. J. The papers should be ready today. Order that we can estimate the costs. And now, let's check your answers. Jack is always so dramatic, as if he were a soap opera actor. I don't understand why he is like that. As soon as they broke up, they both started dating other people. I can't wrap my head around it. Sam works full-time as well as takes care of everything at home. He is a wonderful husband. Provided that you sign the contract, we can discuss the project details. You can't buy a new car provided that you get a part-time job. Otherwise, you can't afford it. Liz always calls her parents during the day, even though there is a huge time difference. She is in the States now, and they're in Australia. Kate always eats breakfast even if she is late to work. I'd rather come to work earlier so that I don't have to experience the rush hour ever again. She left the room in tears as soon as he started shouting at her. The papers should be ready today in order that we can estimate the costs. Thank you for watching this tutorial.